lovers! It's time for Guess the Birds! I'm your host, Wolfie. Get ready for a colorful adventure as we guess some feathered friends. Ready to soar? Let's dive in! Our first bird is a vibrant beauty, known for its colorful plumage and playful personality. Can you guess who it is? Macaw! Brilliant guess if you got it! Macaws are stunning birds that brighten up the rainforest. Now let's flutter to our next feathered friend. This bird is a little star with its iridescent feathers and melodious songs. Can you guess who's shining bright in the sky? Starling! Well done if you guessed it! Starlings are tiny treasures with their shimmering plumage. Now let's hop on to our next bird. This bird is known for its camouflaging feathers and ground-dwelling habits. Can you guess who's blending in with the bushes? Partridge! Great job if you guessed it! Partridges are masters of disguise in the wild. Let's soar to our next avian adventurer. With its sleek black feathers and mysterious aura, this bird is a symbol of intelligence. Can you guess who's flying high with secrets to share? Raven! You're spot on! Ravens are clever creatures with a touch of mystique. Now let's glide to our next bird of prey. This majestic bird is the king of the skies, known for its keen eyesight and powerful wings. Can you guess who's soaring high above? Eagle! Amazing guess if you got it! Eagles are majestic rulers of the air. Now let's make a splash with our next feathered friend. This bird is a master diver with its pouch-like bill and love for fish. Can you guess who's ready to plunge into the water? Pelican! You're on fire! Pelicans are expert fishermen of the seas. Now let's peck our way to our next bird. This bird is a farmyard favorite, known for its clucking and scratching. Can you guess who's strutting around the barnyard? Chicken! Well done! Chickens are the clucking champions of the coop. Now let's take flight with our next avian creature. This bird may not be the prettiest, but it plays a vital role in nature's cleanup crew. Can you guess who's soaring high in search of carrion? Vulture! Correct! Vultures are nature's garbage collectors, keeping our environment clean. Now let's tweet our way to our next songbird. This bird may be small, but its cheerful chirps brighten up any day. Can you guess who's hopping around in search of seeds? Sparrow! Fantastic guess! Sparrows are delightful little birds that bring joy wherever they go. Now let's sing our way to our next melodious friend. Can you guess which bird serenades the night with its enchanting song? Nightingale! Absolutely right! Nightingales are songbirds that captivate us with their sweet serenades. Now let's drum up some excitement with our next bird. This bird is a master drummer, known for its rhythmic pecking on trees. Can you guess who's tapping away in search of insects? Woodpecker! Amazing guess! Woodpeckers are nature's drummers, keeping the beat in the forest. Now let's strut our feathers to our next bird. This bird is a true showstopper, with its magnificent plumage and regal demeanor. Can you guess who's strutting around like royalty? Pheasant! You're spot on! Pheasants are stunning birds that dazzle us with their beauty. Now let's spread our feathers with our next bird. This bird is a water-loving wonder, known for its quacks and paddle-like feet. Can you guess who's gliding gracefully across the pond? Duck! Brilliant guess! Ducks are delightful swimmers with their quacking charm. Now let's fan our feathers with our next bird. Our last bird is a real showstopper with stunning plumage and shimmering tail feathers. Can you guess who it is? Yep, you're right! Peacocks are like the kings of birds with their majestic beauty. That's it for Guess the Birds. Hope you enjoyed guessing these amazing sky creatures. Join us next time for more feathered fun. Until then, keep your eyes on the skies and your hearts filled with wonder. Bye for now!